Multidiscipline design is now a reality when bringing products to market. Efficient, streamlined collaboration between electrical and mechanical design teams and tools is critical to ensure your product gets to market on time. SOLIDWORKS PCB delivers powerful printed circuit, schematic, and layout design capabilities. The built-in connector streamlines design change integration between EDA and mechanical teams. Changes from either discipline are tracked and incorporated in respective design tools, keeping everyone working together and in sync. The connector is also available as a standalone product for connecting Altium Designer users directly into SOLIDWORKS. Alternately, CircuitWorks delivers PCB and PWA integration to SOLIDWORKS from the majority of ECAD design tools. The simple wizard-based approach enables mechanical engineers to quickly capture the board requirements and establish a baseline for their specific fit and form. The ability to synchronize the board layout with the electronics design team ensures they have the information to complete their work and pass the final design back to SOLIDWORKS. Accurately predicting thermal performance is a critical part of electronics product development. SOLIDWORKS' comprehensive suite of thermal simulation capabilities reduce the need for costly physical testing, delivering fully integrated simulation to your design process, reducing the need for costly physical testing and risk of product failures in the field. At the same time, working in parallel, use SOLIDWORKS Electrical to generate detailed electrical schematics and define the complete electrical system. Take advantage of automated design tools and built-in libraries to streamline and simplify an array of traditionally tedious tasks. Then, integrate your electrical systems into the 3D design, at all times providing each discipline with direct access to information when they need it. As your design develops, optimization can be used to automatically route wires and cables, enabling you to validate crucial fit and wire lengths long before any prototypes are made. Regardless of engineering role or discipline, your design data must be managed. SOLIDWORKS PDM provides a single source for managing all your design data. This reduces the risk of mistakes and miscommunication and ensures everyone has access to the right information at the right time. SOLIDWORKS offers a unique and powerful collaborative solution that unites electrical, electronic, and mechanical design. Add intelligence to the mechatronic design process, enabling fast and efficient cross-discipline collaboration, providing you with the power to get complex designs to market faster.